What's going on, guys? Today we have a Mercedes GL here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your tail lights, your brake lights, your hazards lights on the rear of your car. So as you can see on this dash here, we have the rear brake light on the right is out. So let's go ahead, jump to the back of the car and see how to do that. In the back of the car, guys, this is a very easy process. We have our replacement bulbs here. I've got a bottle of water as well to stay hydrated. But other than that, we just open up the side here. I'm going to show you guys how to take out both sides. So this is the left side of the car. We take a flathead screwdriver, screw these to the left, which will unlock this here. And this is the little first aid cubby hole. Pop that out and you'll gain access to your taillight bulbs over here. For the right side, very similar process. We get a screwdriver, unlock this, and then try to just get our screwdriver and pry that out. Pops that out. All the fuses are there, but that's not what we want. Back here is where we want to access the taillight bulbs. If you see this little connector here, it's actually very, it's a lot easier to undo this connector first. So this connector here I just pulled out, press and hold the two tops like so, and then you pull that connector out. Now we can actually pull out the entire tray of bulbs. And if you look sort of towards the center right there, there's that tab. You can see that tucked away in the back there. If we undo that tab, we just push our finger there. This will give us access to the entire tray of bulbs. And voila! We have all of our taillight bulbs. And so you just get which one is out and replace those. Looks like this is the turning signal. This might be two reverse bulbs, brake light and tail light. So I will replace my bulbs. You just simply unscrew them. It looks like this one's out. I do advise using some gloves when you put your new bulbs in, just so you don't get the oils from your fingers on the bulbs. It helps the bulbs last a little bit longer. So you just screw that new one in and put this board back in there and then reclip that connector. And that's all there is to it. If you guys found the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below for the bulb and the part numbers. And check out my channel for more videos. Please subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.